We're continuing with the Chem 1 Chapter 10 packet on page 4, and we are now picking up with empirical formula. So formulas are by moles. Recall that when we did percents, percents were by grams. So here are percents by grams and formula by moles. Make sure you keep that straight in your head. If I say percent, you think grams. If I say formula, you think moles. So we're going to try this. It's going to be a little silly because I'm going to be doing this without you responding, but we'll just get the idea here. We need to find the empirical formula of a compound that is 75% carbon, so you should say grams, and 25% hydrogen, which is grams. And now I need to find the empirical formula, so you should be saying moles. To find that formula in moles, you're going to take the percents, which are grams, and convert them into moles. So one more time. If I'm giving you percents, I'm giving you grams. If I want a formula, I need moles. So I'm going to take my percents, which we're going to call grams, and change them into moles. So 75%, which is 75 grams of carbon, converted to moles with the periodic table, will give you 6.25 moles of carbon. And 25% hydrogen, which is 25 grams of hydrogen, converted into moles, will give you 25 moles of hydrogen. And now what we need to do is we need to figure out what is the simplest ratio of these two amounts of moles. So you just take the smallest out of these two numbers, which is 6.25 and 6.25, and divide, and this is going to be a 1 to 4 ratio. So that would tell you that it's a CH4 formula, which makes sense because that's what we originally had from the first part of this problem. So just to review, whenever I say percents, you think grams. Whenever I say formula, you think moles. So if I give you percents, those are grams, you change them into moles for the formula, and then you take a simple ratio and get the final answer.